Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome, carburetor enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the ultimate solution for small engine maintenance, the world's top 5 best small engine carburetor cleaners. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this video is your gateway to smoother engine performance and peak efficiency. Join me as we explore the top contenders in the market, ensuring your engines run like a dream. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Check the link in the description below for all the details. Number 1. STABIL Fast Fix, your go-to solution for the best carburetor cleaner fuel additive. Designed to tackle rough-running engines, this powerhouse treatment eats away at gum and varnish, ensuring smooth starts every time. Its versatile formula is compatible with all small engines, from lawn mowers to snow blowers. Say goodbye to water-related issues with its water-eliminating capabilities, preventing costly engine disassembly. With just 1 ounce treating up to 2.5 gallons of fuel, this 8 ounces bottle is a cost-effective choice. Simply follow the easy directions, add Fast Fix, fill with fresh gas, run the engine for 15 minutes, and voila, enjoy a revitalized engine. Plus, with a shelf life of up to 2 years after opening, you'll have peace of mind knowing it's ready when you need it. STABIL Fast Fix, the ultimate solution for smoother, hassle-free engine performance. Number 2. Northwest Enterprises Ultrasonic Cleaner Solution, your ultimate solution for restoring carburetors and engine parts to pristine condition. Scientifically engineered to tackle dirt, varnish, gums, and other stubborn contaminants, this concentrated formula ensures a thorough clean for car and motorcycle carburetors, engine components, and more. Harnessing the power of ultrasonic technology, it generates billions of minute vacuum bubbles that effectively blast away impurities without harming delicate parts. Experience fast and efficient cleaning, as even minute cracks and blind holes are penetrated, impossible to reach by hand scrubbing. Plus, it's safe on a wide range of metals, including aluminum, brass, copper, and zinc. Say goodbye to grime and hello to peak performance with Northwest Enterprises Ultrasonic Cleaner Solution, the perfect companion for the best carburetor cleaner fuel additive. Number 3. A-Team Ultrasonic Carburetor Cleaning Solution, the ultimate solution to revitalize your engine parts effortlessly. Say goodbye to tough stains and contaminants with our powerful ultrasonic cleaner. Specially formulated to remove dirt, varnish, and gums, it ensures your carburetors and engine components stay pristine for longer. Unlike traditional methods, our cleaner utilizes ultrasonic technology, generating bubbles that penetrate even the most intricate parts, delivering a thorough clean every time. Versatile and safe, it's suitable for a wide range of machine parts, including carburetors, engine blocks, and starters. With an easy 1:8 concentration ratio, simply dilute with water and let the cleaning magic begin. Elevate your maintenance routine with A-Team, the go-to choice for the best carburetor cleaner fuel additive. Number 4. GumOut Carb/Choke and Parts Cleaner, a powerhouse solution for your engine's needs. Designed to tackle hard starting, rough idling, stalling, and pesky high exhaust emissions, this 14 ounces canister is your go-to remedy. Its potent formula swiftly eliminates deposits both inside and outside your carburetor, enhancing engine performance and fuel economy in one fell swoop. Say goodbye to gum, varnish, and dirt buildup as this cleaner effortlessly clears clogged carburetors and choke valves, restoring your engine's vitality. Not stopping there, it also efficiently purifies unpainted metal parts, leaving them spotless and ready for action. And with its quick drying feature, downtime is minimized, getting you back on the road in no time. For the best carburetor cleaner fuel additive, trust GumOut to deliver unmatched performance and reliability. Number 5. CRC Cleanar Carburetor Cleaner, 50-state formula, a powerhouse solution for your carburetor cleaning needs. Engineered to dissolve deposits instantly on venturi, linkages, butterflies, and PCV systems, this cleaner significantly enhances fuel system performance and boosts fuel economy. Worried about harmful effects on your vehicle's catalytic converters and oxygen sensors? Worry no more. This 50-state formula meets all state and federal VOC regulations while remaining harmless to these crucial components. Whether you're tackling tough buildup or simply aiming to maximize carburetor performance, CRC Cleanar Carburetor Cleaner is your go-to solution. Trust in its efficacy, versatility, and regulatory compliance for an optimal cleaning experience. It's not just a cleaner, it's the best carburetor cleaner fuel additive you can rely on. In conclusion, finding the best small engine carburetor cleaner is crucial for maintaining peak performance of your equipment. Whether it's for your lawnmower, chainsaw, or other small engine devices, a quality cleaner ensures optimal fuel delivery and engine efficiency. By selecting the right product and following proper cleaning procedures, you can extend the lifespan of your machinery and save on costly repairs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updated videos.